Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Tea Time Style Time. Today I have a look at two different Kate Spade bags from the Queen of the Court collection. I hope you enjoy them, and I'm sorry for the lack of updates. It's been a little crazy with work and finishing up some stuff for grad school. So without further ado, let's get started. This is the tote that arrived from Nordstrom in a nice pink dust bag. It is a Kate Spade tote with the tennis print, and somebody's very interested in it. It does come with a interior tennis ball coin purse. This was probably my favorite part, and it is supposed to look like a net. The interior of the bag is completely green. There is a clasp that attaches to right here to close the bag. And on the side over here, this is where the coin purse will attach. So I'll just put that in here. On the bottom, it did come a little bit dirty, but this was on sale. There are some scuff marks here, and I believe here. The other side is just plain. There is no Kate Spade branding. So I am very excited with this new tote bag. I cannot wait to take it out. Here is the code if you need the information. This is a piece that's getting harder to find. I got mine on sale, so if you want one, I would snap it up quickly. This is a first look at one of the bags that I recently picked up and didn't expect to. This is the Kate Spade Crossbody tennis, I guess Queen of the Court or courtside something. I forget what the exact name of the collection was, but this is the bag. And I actually assumed it was going to be a single bag, but it's actually two. And I really like that it has these two charms on the zippers. Inside, they're pretty small. Here is the look at the inside of one of the compartments. As I was saying, this does fit an iPhone. I have the 11. Here's 3 card slots. Nothing too fancy. There are 2 D-rings that attach the strap to. It did also come with a top handle strap. This strap hits crossbody, I would say about my hip. Here's the Kate Spade logo, and this is pretty soft. It feels like Saffiano. It's smooth leather in this color. I think it's called Granny Smith. So the weird thing is this bag has more pebbled leather. So I assumed when I got them that they would be similar, but they're not. But they do look great together, if I do say so myself. I really like on the inside, as I've already showed you, you have this bag charm thing pouch, and I just think they look really good together. So thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next go around. Bye.